Hi, this is Steve Simmons from Karl Chevrolet. I'm out here today at Karl Kustoms, where we house, service, and sell all these custom quality automobiles. Right today we're looking at a 1966 Chevy II. Let's take it for a ride. This Chevy II SS has a 327 engine in it and is all original on the inside. Even has air conditioning. This SS has an automatic transmission. Only 61,000 miles on it. Gets up and goes and has a nice smooth ride.